If you want to know more information about different graph classes and the relationships, then you can visit this ISGCI website, which is a research database and software system. And this is an encyclopedia of graph classes that helps you to research what's known about particular graph classes. So this is the website for that. It will be mentioned in the description. Very useful website for those who are going to do research in graphs. Now there are many subclasses for general graphs, so we are going to list out some of them. Path graphs denoted as Pn, cycle graphs C suffix n, bipartite graphs, complete graphs, complete bipartite graphs, prism graphs, wheel graphs, fan graphs, book graphs, friendship graphs, star graphs, union of stars, bistars, double stars, Peterson graphs, generalized Peterson graphs, bull graphs, sunlet graphs, kite graphs, parachute graphs, gear graphs, web graphs, helms, flower graphs, corona, ladders, triangular ladders, duplicate graphs, triplicate graphs, caterpillars, twigs, trees with n internal vertices and more than n leaves, banana trees, pagoda graphs, Mongolian tent, and village, and etc.